Hello everyone and welcome to Australian Transport New South Wales / Queensland. Today I'll be doing a model railway video which I haven't done in quite some time, and I think this is the first model railway video I've posted since Steamfest, because Steamfest had some model railways, but with mine I haven't posted my model railway since late 2019, early 2020, maybe around then. We have some new locos joining us on the layout, and surprisingly, with a lot of money and effort, we finally got the model railway working. After a lot of hard work and money, it's still a work of progress. It's plans to have 4 railway lines throughout the layout. Currently I've just got 2, but even the second one's not complete properly yet. We still have some of our original stations, this one being one of them, this signal being one of the old layouts, and a couple of the buildings and cars as well. There has been a lot of new touch-ups, and I've done some research on a lot of my ones from the 2019 videos, and I have quite a bit of stories to tell you, so just enjoy this video, and do my friend a massive favour and go subscribe to these accounts. That would be greatly appreciated. So first up, we'll have a look at our steam locomotives. I've only got 2 operational ones at the moment. 112, I'm actually not sure how to pronounce that number, seeing that these are both American locos, but 4073 as well. I'm not quite sure what the background story to these locos are, but I can tell you that 4073 has a full casted iron boiler, which makes it quite heavy and tends to derail a lot and uncouple itself from the carriages. So we'll see how this one goes today. First off, we'll get this one going, and here goes 4073. The only problem with 4073 is on the other side. It is a little broken, but that is okay because I do have the pieces for it when it was sold to me. It was second hand, so was 112. So that is our steam locomotives. Let's move on to our diesels. Well, here are some familiar trains that this channel has seen. Haven't seen them in quite a while, but these are the only 2 diesels I have that work. So here we are with 1404, and its original carriages, but with 4469, with more of the same carriages behind 1404, but in a different colour. I'll move 1404. There we go. Pretty much the same, just different colour. Now these carriages and 1404 are all from the 50s, just after World War II. They were built in England and they are quite valuable and rare. But it still runs very well. I don't run it often because how old it is and rare, but I still like to get it out in the layout every now and then and give it a quick run around the tracks. And it does have some minor issues with the wheels. It doesn't pick up the electrical currents properly, but 4469 runs just fine. So there goes 4469, and we'll get 1404 going. While we wait for them to come back around, here are some more familiar platforms. So there are the two diesels that work. I'll quickly give you a very quick look at the electric, because pretty much all it does is just the cab lights turn on. Here are some of the freight cars. Some are new, some are the same old from the original videos of the model railway. I won't put them on the layout just to keep the video shorter than it probably should be, but most of these are also the original built in England after World War II in the 50s, so they have a bit of background with them as well. These green carriages, however, were built in Germany. Not too quite sure on the dates, but that is its loco. It does not work, but we're trying to get it working. Me and also a mate that doesn't live too far away from me. And this steam locomotive here is kind of just rolling stock at the moment. We have been coupling it up to diesels and just running it around the track. And yeah, I've just taken the gears out of it to have it as rolling stock. And then we pretty much just have a regular Hornby high-speed train. This one gets used a lot. The two working steam locomotives get used a lot, as well as 4469. The carriages that are mostly used are these ones, these ones, these three, and sometimes the silver carriages, because the grey ones are a bit stiff in the wheels, so they need less carriages behind it, so the diesels or steam locomotives don't slip out on the rails. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I should be back soon with another update.